Hello, welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to find the square of 902 without calculator. This math problem can be solved in two ways. The first way is by using the formula for binomial square. In order for me to use the formula, I need to write the number 902 as a sum of two numbers. The numbers need to be such that the square of each is easy to find. For example, 902 equals to 900 plus 2 in parentheses squared. This way, I can apply the formula for binomial square. The number 900 corresponds to the a in the formula, and the number 2 corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, this equals to 900 squared plus 2 times 900 times 2 plus 2 squared. Then I just need to simplify. 900 squared equals to 81 with 4 zeros plus 2 times 900 times 2 is 36 with 2 zeros plus 4. As a next step, we can just add the numbers the way they are in a row, or I can write them in a column format and add them like that. So I'm going to write them in a column on the side. And then simply add them. This equals to 4, 0, 6, 3, 1, 8. Okay. Therefore, 902 squared equals to 813,604. The square of 902 can also be found by multiplying the number by itself. Now this will equal to 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 9 is 18. Then we have set of zeros. And then we have 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 0 is 0 and 1. We write it down. 9 times 9 is 81. Therefore, we just add these three numbers. This equals to 4, 0, 16, 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 813,604. Exactly the same number as solution 1. I am thrilled that you joined me and look forward to reading your comments. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching and learning.